Hello from Gardening at Dwensa here in Ireland. Now some of you may recall that a while ago I had a video about a giveaway that I was doing, a giant enormous giveaway with 4 wonderful prizes, and many of you took part in it. Well, it's finally time for me to choose the winners. But as you will recall, it was a bit of a complicated giveaway because not only did you have to subscribe to my channel and comment under my videos, but you also had to subscribe to somebody else's channel and comment on his videos. So I think it's only right that in order to choose the winners, I have a little help. So...
Hey there, it's Dimi in Ireland. I'm back and let's choose the winners. So, hi, I'm Dimi the Green Nerd. You may know my channel already because Rachel did a wonderful shout out to me and she was really supportive, including me in her giveaway.
Because it's an excellent channel. You really have to check this out. Fantastic.
Thank you.
I'm so jealous. I haven't seen your amazing green wall yet.
You're welcome anytime. And yeah, anyway, I hope you can find my channel interesting. I hope that you will link up above to it again.
Yourself, yeah, if you're good.
And I really try to be regular in posting videos, and I have a lot of exciting stuff coming. And yeah, that's it. Oh, and once I reach 500 subscribers, I will do a giveaway, and there will be plants in the prizes. So share, people, share.
Exciting. Okay, so now we're going to do my giveaway and we are going to choose some lucky winners. These are people who subscribed to my channel and to Dimitri's channel and made comments. And first off, we are going to choose a winner for Ireland. We've got 2 prizes for people in Ireland, and Dimitri is going to pick out one of these names.
Lucky Swiss hands.
No, well, I'm just
okay,
going to mix them up now.
And
yes.
I pick. I don't watch it. Don't want to jinx it.
Don't jinx it. Okay.
Okay, so
this prize is for the Johnstown Garden Centre voucher of €50.
Ooh.
So
50 euros is a nice budget.
Yes.
A lot of plants, huh?
Wow.
So the first winner is Colette Lawler.
Lawler, yes.
Okay. There you go. So that's the happy winner of the Garden Centre €50 voucher.
Okay, so
congratulations!
Yes, congratulations, Colette. So make yourself known to me, and then we will get that in the post to you very soon.
Yay. And
next up we have an aluminium panel with a photograph on it, which is a very nice arty prize, and the winner of this can have a photograph of my garden if they want on the panel, or whatever they like themselves, their own photograph, providing it meets certain specifications.
Alright, so let's choose the second lucky winner. Put one in the bottom a little bit. There we go. So that's Bruno Cork.
Okay, show it towards the camera there. Okay,
Bruno
so
Cork.
This is a friend of mine. I know Bruno.
Know him? Yeah.
Bruno.
Congratulations, Bruno.
There you go. I'm sure you'll find plenty of photos of your beautiful garden to print on the
he's a gardener as well.
He's definitely a gardener. Yeah, exotic gardener.
Okay, right.
Okay, super.
So, that's great. That's the 2 winners for the Irish prizes.
That's right. So moving on to the EU now.
EU.
And oh no, we're moving on to outside the EU.
Okay,
next.
let's do that.
Okay.
But that's you're picking.
I need to pick this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm actually in there.
Yes.
So it would seem unfair if I picked myself, and then we would have to repick, and I would be disappointed because I actually won, but I cannot win. So.
So complicated. You see, obviously we've thought all this through.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
But really fair and honest, huh?
Yes. Yes. Okay, so the prize for outside of the EU is a year's subscription to the Irish Garden magazine. So that's 10 issues, and which you get in the post wherever you are, if you win. Okay, so you mix them up and I'll choose. That's it.
One?
That's the one. Okay. I hope it is anyway. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you
Okay,
go.
right. Not looking, not looking.
I'm nervous.
So, the winner is Cheryl Adams in the USA.
No.
Okay, Cheryl.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Annual subscription of the Irish Garden magazine.
And make sure to look out for the, what's the name of the article? Advices from Rachel Darlington's Greenhouse.
That's right. That's my page, which is obviously the best one. In
the best
magazine.
one, the most interesting one. Okay, so that was not me.
That was not you.
No.
Don't cry.
No. So that's now for the EU members, which maybe we should mention that Switzerland is not in the EU. That's why I'm not in the EU. But maybe
That's right.
not everybody knows that we're an independent country.
Yeah, we're all independent countries, Dimitri. We'll have none of this Swiss touting around here.
So what's the price for the EU members?
So the price for the EU members is a €25 voucher for Sperter Orchid
exciting.
Nursery. Yes,
Yes, that's
so
exciting. So,
a nice prize.
you mixed it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. And a lot of entries to this.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so there I have one. Oh, that's Bumblebee's orchids in Europe.
Okay, right. Well, congratulations, Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She subscribed to my channel. I was really happy because I have been following her for a long time and I like her videos.
Yeah, very good quality.
Yeah, good
videos.
quality and really informative. So
And
maybe do.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
do a link to
Yeah.
Bumblebee's channel up above. And Bumblebee has such a soothing voice. I don't know if I'm a bit flustered or I've had a bit of a hard day and I switch on one of her
It's like
videos.
a lullaby.
Well, not a lullaby. Lullaby sends you asleep.
Yeah, well, it's really relaxing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was
Okay,
it.
so that was it. Just 4 prizes.
And the winner can get in touch with Rachel for all the details about how and when and what and
You see, he's such a good YouTuber. He knows what to say at exactly the right time. It's just wonderful. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to Dimitri's channel and to my channel, and then you will get all the wonderful gardening and plant videos.
because that's not the last giveaway. There will be.
No, that's true. Yeah, 500 subscribers, and you'll have a giveaway with
And
plants.
you will have for your 20,000 subscribers.
Yeah, okay. Okay, thanks very much for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And bye.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.